Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Yamamoto anime Vanguard step by step. Start by locating the official release source and confirm regional availability before purchasing or importing. Gather any required identifiers like character codes, set names, or edition details to avoid mistakes. Compare seller ratings and return policies to protect your purchase. Prepare payment method and shipping address in advance to complete the order smoothly and securely. I will explain the best places to search and when to act. Use official stores, reputable marketplaces, and fan communities to find listings quickly. Set alerts for new drops and pre-orders to avoid missing limited editions. Verify seller feedback and ask for photos when possible to confirm condition. Consider import taxes and shipping times so you can budget properly and receive your Yamamoto anime Vanguard without surprises. Keep receipts and communication records for any issues. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for effortless floor cleaning with voice control and smart mapping that saves time. It is great for cleaning up clutter after unboxing collectibles and keeping display areas pristine. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I will help you verify authenticity and maintain your item. Check holograms, serial numbers, and packaging details against official photos to confirm genuineness. Beware of suspiciously low prices or unfamiliar sellers offering bulk discounts. Store your figure or card in protective casing to prevent damage and control humidity and sunlight exposure. Consider professional appraisal for rare pieces to ensure value preservation and proper insurance documentation if needed. Seek expert help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.